Hi everybody, this is Captain Nick coming to you live from Anchor Bay on Lake St. Clair. We're exclusively working with Nauti Docks, your local high tide distributors, along with myself and BP Marine Brad Peterson. We're happy today to announce that we got our trucks in, hoists are about to be on the water, and we're about to put some boats in.
Hey everybody, this is Giovanni Butera from Nauti Docks. I'm here today with two of my exclusive dealers on Lake St. Clair, unloading some high tide boat lifts for Captain Nick of Anchor Marine and Brad Peterson of BP Marine. Excited to offload high tide boat lifts and excited to get them in the water. Can't wait for 2026.
If you need a seawall, boat hoist, or dock, we got you covered. Or a high tide boat lift, we'll see you out on the water.